Welcome back to TR3 Performance, guys. As I told you in that last SF90 video we did with the red one with the full RYFT system, we had a lot more ponies in the stable, and here's another one. This beautiful SF90 in Grigio Silverstone. We fitted some beautiful AL13 wheels on it, 21 by 9.5 fronts and 22 by 12.5 rears. As you can see, the car is not factory ride height. In order to get this fitment, we lowered it with RYFT lowering springs. New on the market, highly suggested, easy to install, on the shelf, ready, available for any make and model that obviously they produced for. So these wheels are brand new from AL13. You can see the shine on those. You can also see the shine on the car. This car is 2022, so it's 3 years old at this point, but we gave it a complete new makeover. Took the old paint protection off. It was getting pretty old, a little yellow. Refinished the complete paint on the car with a single stage paint correction and reapplied XPEL PPF all over the car, including the windshield protection, which protects the windshield from rock chips. The car has now a showroom finish, as you can see, both on the wheels and on the body itself as well. So we won't be done yet with this car. This client is interested in more goodies, so stay tuned for some more goodies this pony's getting, and stay tuned for more ponies we have in the stable that will be completed here shortly. If you do like our videos, go like, comment, and subscribe on our stuff, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.